this is Huma Siddiqui. Alhamdulillah, today is our third lecture and inshallah we will continue and end today's topic. Today we are going to continue the same lecture which is kinds of noun and we will discuss the last three kinds in today's lecture. And after all, we will have a quick review of all kinds. Now here you can see I have written the last three kinds: material noun, collective noun, compound noun. And along with them, I have written some definitions, short definitions for your understanding. Number one, material noun. The material noun used to make other things. Number two, collective noun. The group of people, places, animals and things is called collective noun. Compound noun. Two nouns joined together to form a new word. This is just a short definition, okay? Inshallah, we are going to start a slide for you after this. So, let's have a slide just for material noun. I will discuss each definition in detail in my slides.
Material noun. Material noun is a substance, a material, or an ingredient which is used to make things. Material nouns are usually uncountable because you cannot count material nouns. For example, this window is made of glass. Here, window is common noun, but glass is material noun.
Students, your mother cooks biryani or any other dish at your home. So she uses some ingredients, like if she is going to cook pizza or bake pizza, so she might use some different ingredients. So the ingredients are material noun. That is stuff or the thing which we are using to form another thing is called material noun. Material noun is more clear to you now. So let's move on to our next or second last kind.
Collective noun. Collective nouns refer to the group of people, places, animal, or things. For example, a herd of cows, a bouquet of flowers, a gang of thieves. Here, herd, bouquet, and gangs are collective nouns.
Students, this slide helped you a lot to understand more about collective. Now, we are going to move on our very last kind, that is compound noun. I hope you have understood compound noun in your science subject. Not noun, but the word compound, you have done it. The word compound means the mixture of two things, or the mixture, and the compound noun is the mixture of two words. So let's start compound nouns.
Compound nouns. When two other nouns are combined to form a single noun, the result is compound noun. Now, here we have some examples, look at them. Now let's have a review of all three kinds. This chair is made of wood. Wood is material noun. This box is made of cardboard. Cardboard is material noun. This cup is made of plastic. Plastic is material noun. The bag is made of leather. Leather is material noun. The house is made of cement and bricks. Cement and bricks are material. This book is made of paper, so paper is material noun. Here I have a list of collective nouns. You can see and you can write in your notebooks and must use collective nouns in your sentences. This is the activity for compound nouns. You have to guess the compound nouns by looking at the pictures. Like number 1 is honey and bee. So it becomes honey bee. Honey bee is a compound word.